Hi, fifth grade. We are starting our next week of lessons. We've been talking about the spheres and how they interact with each other. Remember that a hydrosphere is anything that has to do with water on Earth. The biosphere is anything that has to do with the living things. Atmosphere is air or gas, and the geosphere has to do with the ground, which is dirt and rocks. I put in here again our diagram of how interactions of the Earth's spheres happen. We talked before about how all of the spheres can have interactions between them. So two spheres could interact together, but they all have some type of interaction with each other. In your science notebooks last week, I had you write down how did you see interactions between the Earth's spheres in the video of the bat release. So I've come up with a list of just a few things, and there were many more, and you might have some different ones than mine, but this just kind of gives you some extra ideas. So I had bats are in the biosphere and they fly in the atmosphere. Bats eat bugs, which are part of the biosphere. Many bats sleep in trees, which are also part of the biosphere. And the trees grow in the dirt, which is the geosphere. So if the trees couldn't grow, then the bats would not have the trees to sleep in. I also have that some bats sleep in caves, which are the geosphere. Bats need a warm atmosphere. Bats need water, which is the hydrosphere. And they breathe, so they need the atmosphere. So that's a list of just a few of the interactions that you might have seen. And as I said, I'm sure you came up with some ones that I had not thought of. So for this week or this lesson in your science notebook, I want you to write down how do you, as part of the biosphere, interact with the other spheres. So think about all of the spheres and write down how you interact with those spheres. If you want to share your work, you can email me at diana.capel@ops.org. I miss you all. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in our next lesson.